Hello friends, today I will explain about RJ45 LAN connector or crimping process. First of all, we have to know what is RJ45. RJ45 is a connector commonly used for Ethernet networking. It looks similar to telephone jack but is slightly wide. The full form of RJ45 is registered jack 45, generally used for terminating twisting pair cable. It has 8 pins clearly visible in backside. See backside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As it has 8 pin and here is 8 cables are terminated. Also 8 cable means it is as it is pair cable, so 4 pair cable will be terminated on the jack. The cables are different colors showing orange, blue, green, brown, white orange, white green, white blue and white brown. It has 4 pair orange and white orange, 1 pair blue and white blue, 1 pair brown and white brown, 1 pair green and white green, 1 pair. Total number of cable is 8, means 4 pair. To crimp this pin, we need a crimping tools, RJ45 crimping tools or crimper. Now one important thing is at the time of crimping we have to give some sequence, like if we hold the connector like this, means front side, then the sequence will be from left to right. First brown, white brown, green, white blue, blue, white green, orange, white orange. Before crimping we have to straight that portion, what portion we need to put inside the connector. Then crimp it properly. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe it for more update. You can comment here any question regarding RJ45.